happy Thanksgiving, and welcome to another story time here at the Key West Tropical Forest and Botanical Gardens. Miss Kelsey here in the courtyard, and today we're going to be reading a book about one of the ingredients that's probably in your Thanksgiving dinner. It's about pumpkins, and it's called It's Pumpkin Day, Mouse. So let's get started. Mouse has 7 pumpkins to decorate. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pumpkins. He's got a lot of decorating to do. Mouse paints a happy face on this pumpkin. Cheese. This pumpkin is sad. Boo-hoo, he's crying. This pumpkin has a silly face. This pumpkin looks surprised. One of the pumpkins is missing. Let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pumpkins. We're missing our 7th pumpkin. Where do you think it could be? Eek! What is that? It's a scary pumpkin. Boo! Dog made a scary pumpkin. The dog painted the 7th pumpkin. A scared mouse. Now it's time to make friendly pumpkins. What do these pumpkins look like to you? To me, they look like dog faces. You can see their whiskers and their doggy nose. Happy Pumpkin Day, Mouse. Let's see, do we have all 7 pumpkins back? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All 7 pumpkins are back. Happy Pumpkin Day. All right, thanks for joining me for this story. So up next, we have our craft. And like usual, you can find the tutorial to tell you how to make the craft in our Google Classroom page. So if you visit Keywest.garden/education, it'll take you to the link to sign up for our Google Classroom page, where you can find lots of different activities, including story time for every week. This week we're making pumpkin pie. One of my favorites. So in order to make this, all you need is a paper plate, you need some scissors, you need some different colored construction paper, some brown paper, and some orange paper, and then we use cotton balls for our whipped cream. So you're gonna cut up your construction paper into small little squares, different shapes, and then you're gonna glue the brown ones along the edges. That's your crust. And then you're gonna glue the orange ones in the middle, and that's your pumpkin pie. And then of course we just glued our cotton balls to make our whipped cream. Best part, in my opinion. So our activity, you can also find in the Google Classroom page, just like the tutorial to make our craft. So we're talking about Thanksgiving because Thanksgiving is in 2 days, which is super exciting. And what do you do on Thanksgiving? Well, you usually eat a lot of food, and there's some things that's always on the table on Thanksgiving. So we're gonna sort some food into Thanksgiving food or just other food, so just regular food that you would eat on any other normal day. So let's see here. Well, this one's easy. We just talked about this. This is pumpkin pie. So I don't know about you, but I usually eat pumpkin pie on Thanksgiving, so I'm going to put that on this side. Let's see, we've got some spaghetti. Spaghetti is an Italian food, and I usually don't see spaghetti in my Thanksgiving dinner, so I'm going to put that under other foods. All right, we're going to do 2 more. So let's see here. We have turkey. Turkey is a classic. That's definitely Thanksgiving food. So we're gonna put this next to our pumpkin pie. And last one, let's do pizza. I think I could order pizza any old day of the week, not just on Thanksgiving. So I'm gonna put that on this side. So go ahead and hop on our Google Classrooms page and you can cut out all of your food pieces and sort them onto where you think that they go. So thanks for joining us, guys. I hope you all have a happy Thanksgiving and we'll see you next week.